morning, everyone. John for Popeye's Postcards, coming to you from my work in progress messy basement, where I'll be moving my eBay operation to here in the next or over the next couple months. But I want to do a very quick video, believe it or not. I was going through the postcard horde that I just purchased, and I wanted to show some two really cool cards. And maybe I'll add this as like a new feature, just kind of like quick hits of cool cards of the day, something like that. But let me show you these two cards. So I'm over here at my, is it Caesar? Is that how you pronounce it? This is my new book photography gizmo thing. I've been using it a little bit. Hopefully today I'll be doing some postcards, some dental books. But these are the two postcards I wanted to show you. This is a real photo of Uncle Sam sitting on a Studebaker, some type of, probably like a July 4th parade, something like that. But it's a real photo, 1910, Keota, Iowa. Just thought that was a really nice postcard. Uncle Sam Real Photo Postcards can sell for $200 to $300. Studebaker Real Photo Postcards probably up to $100. Unfortunately, that town in Iowa is not a huge seller, so kind of combine the values of all of them, and I think I will list this I think $199, so $200 is I think my starting price on this, but I fully expect that this would sell $100 to $150. And then the second card, this is a Titanic postcard, and this card normally sells for about $100, and it's a little rough condition. But what makes this interesting, I thought, is that it's an advertisement to buy Titanic postcards, and this was April 29th, 1912, and I think the Titanic sunk on the 14th or something like that. So this entrepreneurial postcard manufacturer said, sent this out, that this will be the biggest selling postcard that was ever published. So send in your order for this view. Titanic postcards, a penny each. So whoever was selling this was trying to sell it. Oh, the guy I bought this from was trying to sell it for $50. So again, this view itself in the condition, if it was just that, would be, yeah, $50, $75, maybe up to $100. But with the advertising on the back, I'm going to try for probably $150 on this one, but we'll see how it goes. So there, just a really quick video. The Uncle Sam one will probably be going up to auction today, and the Titanic is going to be probably a week or two before that one goes up for auction. So as always, I thank you for watching. I hope you got some information out of this, and look at me, I kept this video under 5 minutes.